Hello everybody, this is your Chef Harpal Singh Soki. Summertime means cool drinks, and I am going to make a watermelon cooler, and a superb cooler which has essence of rose and creaminess of strawberry ice cream. So to make watermelon cooler for summers, what you need to do is take about a bowl full of watermelon, which should be about, just the flesh should be around 300 to 400 grams. So if you buy a watermelon which is about kg or a little more than that, maybe 1.5 kg, so cut half of it and take out the pulp of half of the watermelon and put it in this. Okay, remember to take out the seeds, ice, 2 tablespoons of rose syrup. Now, 2 things happening here. One is the essence, which increases, and it's beautiful. And about 100 grams of ice cream, that's about it, which should be about a scoop of ice cream and nothing else. And I'm going to, and as this cooler churns into a nice smooth drink, what I'm going to do is take 2 glasses, pour in them, and then I've got these sabziya seeds, which are actually basil seeds or tukmaria seeds as they call, and it's very good for summers. I've got a great cooling effect, used in faludas in India. And I'm going to put this on top. It gives you that nice gritty, effect when you actually drink. You get that, and some mint sprigs. There you go, beautiful watermelon cooler for this summer. Your kids are going to love it. Go ahead and make it for them.